In this video, I will show you how you can connect your existing WhatsApp business app with the WhatsApp Cloud API. If you have an existing number and you're using that number on the WhatsApp business app, you can connect that same number on the WhatsApp business Cloud API. So in this video, I will show you how to connect that. For that, you need Facebook Business Manager and a Facebook page or a website. Now I will show you how you can do that. Go to the Facebook Business Manager, then click the business settings. Once you are in the business setting of the Business Manager, then click WhatsApp accounts. In WhatsApp account, just click add button. Once you will click add button, you have to provide the number that is already registered on the WhatsApp business app. So just provide that number that is registered already on the WhatsApp business app. Make sure this number is registered. It should not be new number. So once you will write down the number, click continue. It will send you a verification code on your WhatsApp business app. Just open your WhatsApp business app and write down the code that has been sent there in the WhatsApp business app. Click continue. Once you will click continue, your WhatsApp business number will be linked automatically. After this, go to Tarjeeh API portal, click connect account, then connect WhatsApp button. You will be logged in through now your Facebook account. Just select your same business Facebook Business Manager that you have just linked. You can write down your website or your Facebook page, and you can select the country. In the next, you will select connect your existing WhatsApp business app, and you will write down here the same number, same WhatsApp business, same number that is on your WhatsApp business app. Once you will click next, it will be automatically connected. Continue, just wait. Now your account is connected, and it will ask you either you want to sync all your WhatsApp business app data to the WhatsApp Cloud API. If yes, then just check your WhatsApp business app. There will be a button there in the message. You will see there is a button of scan QR code. Just click that button, scan this QR code, and all your data, all your chats will be automatically synced in the WhatsApp API. Now you can use this same number in your WhatsApp business app and also in the WhatsApp business API. Thank you.